Everything's fine, but I'm wondering, who will I marry? What I'm doing right now is deciding not to hurry. This is a choice that could either bring laughter or sorrow, and the feelings that start in a youthful heart, they could be gone tomorrow. Take your time, patience is the key. Just wait and see. Use your head, though your heart may not agree, and think, is this the one for me? Possibly, if you just take your time.
Just take your time
and choose wisely.
Jehovah's way, let his word guide me, and I'm willing to wait just to have him made, living the truth beside me. Take your time, patience is the key. Just wait and see. Use your head, though your heart may not agree, and think, is this the one for me? Possibly, if you just take your time.
You just take your time
and choose wisely.